square kilometer. That's not the cases in Europe. Instead of that, they use automatic vending machine. School, college, bus stop, vending machine. You can buy from coffees, chocolates, cold drinks. You can buy everything from vending machines. Let's buy pen. Okay. এখন মেনু এটার বিভিন্ন ধরনের কফি পোৱা যায় লাইক কেফে মাকিয়া এক্সপ্ৰেছো cappuccino আপোনালোকে দেখিছে বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ কফি ইয়াত পোৱা যায় সো অল আৰ 70 চেন্টছ লাইক ইণ্ডিয়ান ৰুপিছত কৰিব গ'লে 60 টকা 70 টকা ভিতৰত পৰিব সো মই এতিয়া ফেণ্টা এটা কিনিব লাগে সো লেটছ ফাৰ্ষ্ট আমি জানিব লাগিব ফেণ্টাটোৰ নাম্বাৰটো অ'কে হোৱাটছ ফেণ্টাছ নাম্বাৰ হৈছে A34 ৰাইট ফেণ্টাৰ নাম্বাৰ হৈছে A34 সো আমি ইয়াত চিম্পলি A34 টাইপ কৰিব লাগিব A34 okay so 1.20 it's just like a copy stock by delivering so I'm going to put the coin here that's down yeah the bottom got here that's the phantom so instead of one point is really instead of coin we can use online payments or there is a point to take say apni pen drive for paisa jodi there is a pen drive special kind of pen drive that apni paisa store kori thaba pare and you can go everywhere in the city and you can buy it through pen drive so next apun log dekham ami pen drive use kori kene purchase koribo paro so first etu moi pen drive insert korilu okay so it's zero credit there is no balance so my pen drive no balance nahi so my coin insert koribo paro ba I can do online transactions my bank account from pen drive insert koribo paro by using this QR code but eta moi coin insert korisu okay let me show you my jeta insert kori asu tat apunar value to show kori ase so it is increasing so I mean 1.20 cents 130 cents so 130 cents 1 euro and 40 cents insert kora hol so let's have a look at a coffee bag with it let's have so cappuccino my favorite is latte macchiato okay so apnalok dekhise latte macchiato success kori so it's 70 cents so we have 70 cents okay okay one yesterday you can see it here so that's our coffee so it is still pen drive for 70 cents baki ase so I can use it anywhere everywhere in the city okay so I am and now enjoying the coffee so let me talk little bit about the pen drive ami pen drive to bikhe kon bikhe kotha patum so just janeki ami we can upload audio video images all the files in the pen drive we can store the data ami store koribo paro but this is the specialty of the pen drive that we can store money here we can store our asset so if you store there I can use it everywhere around the city or in the states or something like this so this is one of the most modern technology we can carry the money in the pen drives right so ami at paisa ami jama rakhibo paro this is the most effective design of the pen drives so I will talk in details we are designing this kind of pen drive in our lab so we'll talk more ami kotha patim the technical details jodi apunalage bicharise I can make a video about this technical details particular encryptions techniques what kind of processors we are using this there so if you like this please make a comment so I can deliver I will upload a video about this it's technical statistics what kind of things are we are digital circuits we are using inside this okay thank you very much